So this is the Qualcomm Snapdragon upgrade for the Polestar 2. I'm gonna unbox this package. There was my knife, it was fallen in the box earlier. If I get it correctly, this is the whole computer. It's gonna get replaced. So there's now an Intel Atom in my Polestar 2. It's the 2023 version. And open package, not approved for return. This is the 1000 part. I was really annoyed by the infotainment of my Polestar, so when this get available, I was the first that got it. I was really thinking of selling my car, but if this works well, so made in Portugal. Can I see the manufacturing dates? The connectors. It's the fan. So the Intel Atom one is now installed in my car. It's stock from factory. This fan makes a lot of noise, so I'm also curious if this upgraded infotainment computer Snapdragon makes less noise. But it's not that interesting. Let's get it installed. Here we are. So I have the manual. Okay. So I need to remove this bolt also on the other side. Oh shit. to do a quick comparison between the old and the new system. So this is the original system, the Intel Atom one. So let me turn off the AC. So super slow. So let's see Google Maps, YouTube Music. So recently played. Let's play something. It's not working. The cams are not working now. So you can see this is the speed. It's now working great. I don't know why, but normally, so when you're just driving, using CarPlay, switching maps. So what's really annoying is, so let's say I want to go somewhere, and if I say start and I plug in my CarPlay device, so this is an Android box I have. So the CarPlay, the maps will disappear. So now, if you see Google Maps, just end it. So this is so annoying. So when you drive, you set on your Apple Music device, your CarPlay device, excuse me. You set your destination. So when you drive and switch playlist or play something on YouTube, the Google Maps, it all disappears. So you need to set it up all over again. So, and this is also on the, if I do satellite mode, it's more slower than it is. So now it's working a little bit faster because my car is not in drive. So if it is in drive, and you also need to feed the cams, this system really lags. So it's really hard. So I have it removed. It was really hard to do, but the way to do it is you need to start on the up. You need to start up and pull it towards you, and then it flips in one go. So it's not possible to pull it from here underneath because there's a lid, if you can see. So I was forcing it from underneath. It was not working, and then I switched up and it goes and it pulls straight out. So that's the thing to do. So next step is to get out this bolt, and after doing that, it says that I need to pull out this connector. So I need to do that also on the other side. So this is the driver's side. I need to do it on both sides. So this is the other side. It pulls just straight out. Need to use these plastic things. So these are the cable I need to take out. Let's see. So I need to pull this one out. So I pulled just out these two cables on both sides. So this console turned off. Strangely, the system is still working. Also on this side. this whole console can be lifted up and pulled me out. I need to press this pin here, so it's something really small to press this one in, and it comes right up. So now, if I follow the manual, I didn't, I can now pull this one out, the whole dashboard. Let's see. It really was easy. I made it hard myself. So this is some USB here, 12-volt charger. That's it. Okay, so guys, this is it. So much more space now the dashboard, so it's so I just put two out, so there's a little bit more to go. Those cables are really hard. So this is all stuff. Okay, cables. Do I think I need this part. So let's plug in a new one. Turn it on. So I just put everything together. I'm now gonna try to start the car and drive, because I need to drive tomorrow for the software. So I just put the car on drive. No errors, and I can drive the car. Oh, that's really great. So I can drive tomorrow to the dealer and get the software updated. Try to reset. Trunk's opening. So this is not working. It really needs to download software first. Nope. So hi guys, this is a video of the updated Snapdragon processor on my 2023 Polestar 2 long-range single motor plus with pilot package. So if you can see, everything is running really smooth. It's really night and day difference. So maybe I can zoom in more. Okay, so you can see cameras. So it's really quick. So it's all, let's see if I go like YouTube. Oh, I thought I had YouTube here. Oh, YouTube's here. So it's like super fast.
We set out to build the world want the ultimate all-in-one system. Meet the Dream Router 5G Max, a complete unified experience
How do you?
to mobile environments. And for those who want the ultimate all-in-one system, meet the Dream Router. In 1963, it goes a bit deeper than that because
So
all of this, well, it involves my dad.
easy.
The year was
Super
1976,
nice.
and my dad just arrived in Canada all the way from Hong Kong.
So it's 1 hour video. Also, Google Assistant works really fast. So if I say to Google Assistant, navigate to Rotterdam.
Goed, Rotterdam kleding. Laten we gaan.
Boom. It's all started. If I say I want to go, so like I'm going this January to Italy skiing. So let's say I want to go to the Dolomites. Let's say really quick. Searching load stops also, charge stops. Boom. It's also the front display, the Google Maps, the animations, the information is more, it's better. So I really see a difference also there. Let's say I want to change a stop. That's what I sometimes do when I drive long rides. I want to change stops. How is that? Oh, it was this way, sorry. So let's say I want to change the first stop. So you see how fast it is. Let's say search something in this area. So I'm in a garage, so the internet speeds are not that great. Say, oh, let's choose fastnet. So I really like the fluidity. This is night and day. This is what it should be when they released the car in 2021, 20 it was. So it's a 23 model, but the infotainment was so slow. Also, switching profiles is really quick. So let's see, I choose my wife's profile. Bam. Switch right away. Go to Google Maps. Let's say I want to go to... let's go to Norway. So it's maybe of the internet speeds. I never went to Norway, so... So let's say I want to go to Denmark. Navigeer naar Denemarken. Kopenhagen.
Sorry, ik begrijp het niet.
Navigeer naar Denemarken, Kopenhagen. Navigeer naar Denemarken, Kopenhagen.
Goed, Kopenhagen.
So the whole installation took me only, I think, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. It was really easy to do if I look afterwards. But I was hesitant, so I don't want to do any damage, so I took my time, checked everything 3, 4, 5 times when I did it. I was very gentle. So maybe if you're skilled, you can do this in 1 hour, 1.5 hour. The hardest, the software update, that was the most irritating factor, because I need to go to the shop, so I'm dependent on someone else to do it. I think I have no internet connection, but you get the point. It's really quick. So let's turn this on. So let's say I want some... Oh, so this is my wife's profile, but I want to go to my profile. Bam, right away. Switch to cameras. That's mostly annoying, because when you switch profiles when your wife's not on the car and then you want to drive, bam, cameras right away. Google Maps loading there. So this is really nice. So also I have a car kit link device, so when I plug this in, say I want some music in the... Let's say I want some other music. So let's stage connect. So this is connecting YouTube music. Let's see. So that's nice for the Sunday. About that. So my recording just went away. I was buffering, you see. So my internet's really poor, but everything works so fluidly. Also the sound system, I think it sounds much better. So if I want to go to the... So I don't use the surround function. I think it's... I don't like it either, because it really decreases the quality of the sound. Open YouTube.
Wat is je bestemming?
Open YouTube.
Waar wil je naartoe?
Oh, this doesn't work like...
Waar wil je naartoe?
So, I really recommend this upgrade. If you have cash to burn, burn it on your
Snapdragon upgrade for the Polestar 2. Cheers out.